You join me cruising around in our LS430, or as we call it, Sexy Lexi. But that endless reliability isn't all what it seems. It was called into question one day, in fact, when we were driving down the road and the battery light came on. Turns out we fried an alternator just cruising around. No warnings, just out of the blue. And what ended up happening is something that a lot of UZ owners are familiar with, 1UZ, 2UZ, 3UZ, basically Toyota's V8 engine. What it was is the power steering pump sits directly above the alternator. And any sort of small power steering leak, or as we had a small drip from the reservoir down a hose onto the alternator, will fry the electronics in the back of the alternator. And the simple fix that we came up with is this little shield right here. It slides on to the third bolt of the alternator. And if you don't have the third bolt, we sell the stud and nut kit so you can add it or upgrade your alternator while you're at it. And what that does is simply, if there's a small leak, it pushes it away from the electronics of the alternator so that you can find the leak on the ground, repair your power steering leak, but don't get stranded on the side of the road with a dead alternator.